Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 1st October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous three questions. Our first question was, who has announced to launch positive pay system? World Bank, RBI, PNB, option D HDFC. The correct answer here is Reserve Bank of India. Option B is correct here. The RBI has announced that it will launch the positive pay system for check truncation system for 1st January 2020. Okay, it will be launched from 1st January 2021. Okay. Our second question was, who has won the F1 Russian Grand Prix 2020? Valtteri Bottas, Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Valtteri Bottas. Recently, Valtteri Bottas has won the Formula 1 Russian Grand Prix 2020 at Sochi Autodrome, Russia. It is held in Sochi Autodrome, Russia. And remember, Valtteri Bottas is the driver of Mercedes and from Finland. Valtteri Bottas is from Finland. Max Verstappen got the second position, and Lewis Hamilton got the third position in this Grand Prix. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when International Translation Day is observed? 30 September, 28 September, 26 September, option D 22 September. The correct answer here is 30 September. Option A is correct here. On 30 September, International Translation Day is observed. Okay, the day aims to celebrate the work of language translation professional which facilitates the dialogue, understanding and cooperation. Okay, and the theme of 2020 of this day is finding the words for a world in crisis. Finding the words for a world in crisis, okay, is the theme of 2020. Okay, next question. Who has been conferred with SDG Special Humanitarian Action Award by UNDP? Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Sonu Sood, option D Amir Khan. As per you see the image of Bollywood actor Sonu Sood, the correct answer here is option C, Sonu Sood. Recently, Bollywood actor Sonu Sood has been awarded with the prestigious SDG Special Humanitarian Award by UNDP. UNDP stands for United Nations Development Program. United Nations Development Program, because his outstanding contribution in the time of in the crisis of COVID-19, so Sonu Sood got the Special Humanitarian Action Award by UNDP. Okay, next question. Who is the new chairman of FTII Governing Council? FTII Governing Council. Shekhar Kapur, BP Singh, Karan Johar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Shekhar Kapur. Shekhar Kapur, option A is correct here. Recently, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has announced Shekhar Kapur as new president of Film and Television Institution of India, FTII. FTII abbreviation is Film and Television Institute of India. Okay, and he replaced BP Singh. Shekhar Kapur replaced BP Singh, and the tenure of the Shekhar Kapur is till 3 March 2023, from till 2023. Okay, you can see the image of Shekhar Kapur here. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. BrahMos missile featuring indigenous booster successfully flight tested from which state? Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, option D West Bengal. The correct answer here is Odisha, from Baleshwar, Odisha, from Baleshwar district, Odisha. The BrahMos surface-to-surface supersonic cruise missile featuring indigenous booster was successfully recently tested from the Baleshwar, Odisha. Okay, you can see the BrahMos here, the image of BrahMos. Okay, Odisha is in news. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the Governor of Odisha. Okay, next question. Dr. G.S. Amoor passed away. He was related to which field? Acting, writing, journalism, option D, painting. The correct answer here is writing. Option B is correct here. The veteran writer and critic Dr. G.S. Amur recently passed away. He was the proficient in Kannada and English language. Okay, he had also won the many awards like Sahitya Academy Awards and Bharatiya Bhasha Award. Sahitya Academy Award and Bharatiya Bhasha Award. Dr. G.S. Amur. You can see the image of Dr. G.S. Amur here. A very veteran, famous writer. Okay. Next question. NABARD will begin a sanitation literacy campaign in which state? West Bengal, Odisha, Karnataka, option D, Bihar. The correct answer here is Karnataka. Option C is correct here. In Karnataka, recently, the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, abbreviation of NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Recently, NABARD will begin a sanitation literacy campaign in Karnataka to promote the literacy on WAS. A campaign named WAS. The abbreviation is Water, Sanitation and Hygiene. Water, Sanitation and Hygiene. Okay. Next question. Which bank become first bank to enable document embedding feature of SFMS? IDBI Bank, SDFC Bank, SBI, option D, PNB. The correct answer here is IDBI Bank. Option A is correct here. Industrial Development Bank of India. Abbreviation of IDBI is Industrial Development Bank of India. Recently, IDBI became the first to implement the new feature of document embedding facilities. Okay, the headquarters of the IDBI Bank is situated in Mumbai. And CEO is Rakesh Sharma. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has launched Defense India Startup Challenge 4? Rajnath Singh, Narendra Modi, option C, Amit Shah, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Option A is correct here. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh launched the Defense India Startup Challenge Disc 4. Defense India Startup Challenge Disc 4. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. Which state has won the PATA Grand Award 2020? Maharashtra, Kerala, Rajasthan, option D, Gujarat. The correct answer here is Kerala. Option B is correct here. Recently, the Kerala Tourism got the PATA Grand Award 2020. The abbreviation of PATA is Pacific Asia Travel Association. Grand title winner of 2020 for marketing is Kerala Tourism. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Who has announced the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize 2020? Dr. Harshvardhan, Narendra Modi, Prakash Javadekar, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Dr. Harshvardhan. Option A is correct here. Recently, the Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan announced the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize 2020 at the Foundation Day of CSIR. In which day Foundation Day of CSIR is observed? On 26 September. On 26 September, Dr. Harshvardhan announced the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize 2020. I hope you got the answer now. Thank you. As per you know, this is our question of the day and you have to answer in our comment section and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Who has been appointed as new chairman of TRAI? Our second question is, who is chosen by Reserve Bank of India for awareness campaign? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby a regular practice is done by you. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. If you first visit Educational Wing, then you must subscribe the channel for the further updates like this educational content. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.